This is the afternoon weather update. This is for Leap Day, Thursday, the 29th of February. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather turning wet again. We'll see rain around tonight and tomorrow. A decent chunk of the weekend should be dry and much warmer. And next week, the weather looks fairly unsettled across Alabama in the Deep South. Here's the upper air look this afternoon. We have a trough that's coming into the southern plain states and Texas. And as that shortwave trough moves through here, that brings the chance of rain tonight and tomorrow. Visible satellite view this afternoon. Not much sun, a little bit in spots, but it's a mostly cloudy, cool day across the state. We'll check the radar. You can see some sprinkles in progress over the northern part of Alabama. But again, the more meaningful rain will be coming tonight and tomorrow. And temperatures are way below average. Keep in mind the average high for the state is 63. We got many spots over North Alabama in the 40s. For example, Cullman, 46. Haleyville, 45. Huntsville, 48. Birmingham at 50. Mobile, a cool 56. And the warm spot, Dothan. Down in the Wiregrass, they've got 60 degrees. We'll check the watch warning map around the nation. And again, the east is relatively quiet. Most of the issues are out west. Huge amounts of snow for the Sierra Nevada mountains of California. A blizzard warning in effect there. They're going to be buried in the next couple of days. Winter storm warnings in effect for parts of Northern California, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Nevada, Wyoming, and also red flag warnings out there for parts of the Corn Belt and the nation's midsection. No severe storms expected through tonight. There could be some thunderstorms tonight west of Alabama, parts of Mississippi, Louisiana, and eastern Texas. Also, the chance of some thunder for some of the states out west. This is tomorrow. Got a chance of thunderstorms here. But again, the air is going to be cool and stable. So if storms do form, they will be elevated. There's no chance of any severe storms. Also a chance of some thunder back in the northwest on the northern California, Oregon, and Washington coasts. And on day 3, which is Saturday, maybe some thunder in parts of South Alabama, South Georgia, North Florida, and again for the northern Pacific coast, but severe storms are not expected at this point for the next 4 or 5 days. Rain for the next 7 days. This is valid through Thursday morning of next week, and for most of Alabama, the amount's anywhere between 2 and 4 inches. And we'll see breaks in the rain, but the pattern fairly unsettled for the next 7 days, which is to be expected as we get into March, which kicks off tomorrow. That's the beginning of meteorological spring and one of the wettest months of the year. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. The shortwave that was over Texas lifting north of the state. And again, because of that upward motion, we'll see a cloudy, cool day with rain falling at times. Maybe some thunder, no severe storms, and temperatures will likely be in the cool 50s tomorrow as the rain falls. But what about the weekend? So many outdoor events are happening. Let's take a look. First off, this is Saturday. And really for the northern half of the state, the weather looks dry and warmer, highs climbing into the upper 60s. There could be a few scattered showers over South Alabama, even there, probably not many. A decent chunk of the day dry, highs close to 70 for the southern counties of the state. And then Sunday, everybody goes in the 70s. A very mild March day. And again, we have the chance of just spotty, widely scattered showers. I'd say the chance of any one spot getting wet both Saturday and Sunday in the 20 to 30% bracket. Let's go to next week on Monday. Same thing on Monday. The models are converging on this idea that Monday will be mild with a chance of scattered showers, nothing too widespread. And then on Tuesday, rain coverage will be increasing with a front approaching. Now, the surface low far, far north, dynamic support far north, doesn't look like a severe weather event, but there could be some thunderstorms. And then the front runs out of gas and just hangs out here Wednesday. So again, Wednesday looks wet with a chance of rain at times. And a week from today, Thursday, March 7th, we have a southwest flow aloft. And again, with the stall surface boundary, good chance of rain. And I will say, we've seen different looks out here, and timing out the individual rounds of rain this far out, very hard to do in this active pattern. But the bottom line is, next week looks unsettled with some chance of rain almost on a daily basis. And the high should be fairly close to 70 a week from today, Thursday of next week. Let's keep going. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, March 10th. Little trough north and east of the state. And once again, evidence we could see some rain from Alabama east. But across the board at the moment, for the next 10 days, we're not seeing a big severe weather signal. I mean, we talk about this a lot. We're getting into March and April, which typically is a very active time for severe storms here. During our tornado season, which runs from November through May, the big months are November, March, and April. So, again, not seeing any signals at this point, but that could easily change along the way. Rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European Ensemble. The mean a little over 4 inches between now and the 15th of March. Temperatures coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models, the Ensemble approach. Very cool day tomorrow with 50s, but after that will be fairly mild. Upper 60s Saturday, low to mid-70s Sunday, Monday, and then highs around 70 for the rest of next week, which is a little above average for this time of the year. And hey, hot off the presses, got the brand new 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for March 8th through March 14th. Same thing we've been showing for days. Below average for the western third of the country, above average in the east and the deep south, if this all works out. But let's roll it. The Children's of Alabama Kid Cam, and yeah, buddy, got a gym full today at Hamilton Elementary School. Those were the fourth graders. These are the third graders. Love those third and fourth grade students. We had a great time today talking about science. The science of meteorology. Yes, indeed, you can have fun and learn. But I've been coming to see the students at Hamilton Elementary in that gym for many years, and we had an absolute blast today. So bring in all the students, the teachers at Hamilton Elementary School. Thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. Of course, you know you guys are looking good. Tomorrow, going to Calhoun County, going to be at Coldwater Elementary School. And then Saturday, it's the big joint weather radio programming day and book signing day at Homewood Ace Hardware. We'll be there from 10 to 1. And understand, of course, Homewood was hit hard by a tornado on a late Saturday night back in early December. Many people remember that. And as we get into March and April, it's critical to have the baseline for receiving severe weather warnings, and that's a weather radio. And yes, I know phones are important, but we all know that phone service can stop working during a tornado emergency. And a weather radio has nothing to do with cell service. They are very reliable. Every home, every business needs one. If you have one, bring it by. We'll check it to be sure it's programmed properly. And if you need one, you can buy one there, and we'll program it on the spot. How's that for a deal? So again, that's 10 to 1. At the same time, we got a book signing going on. You can get a copy of All You Can Do Is Pray. That's the book about April 27, 2011, the generational tornado outbreak. Weathering Life, my autobiography. Our children's books, which are really good. The Benny and Chipper series, Prepared Not Scared, and The Wonder of Thunder. And, of course, all the cool Polygon weather shirts and hats from Crest Publishers. That stuff is fun. If you're a weather dweeb, come see us. So, again, if you need us to check your weather radio or need to get one and have it programmed, that's the time to do it. Saturday from 10 to 1 at Homewood Ace Hardware. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.